Well, folks, somehow I never actually made a video about enabling these turn signals on your Royal Alloy scooter. Now, this is true for the GT150. I can't promise it's true for the GT300, although I think it should be about the same if they're not already connected. Now, Genuine Scooter Company saw fit to bring this scooter into the country using these DOT legal signals. Now, what's important about this is they are a certain height from the ground and they are a certain distance apart. So, based on regulation, these turn signals down here on the shield do not meet that. We've done a video on connecting these on the Genuine Buddy Kick in the past, but we'll make what is probably the easiest modification you can do to the Royal Alloy GT150 here in about 5 minutes. I don't think I ever made one of these because I did this within 5 minutes getting the scooter home. I pulled it into the garage, I popped this glove box off, I connected the wires, and off I went. So for this task, all you're going to need is an 8mm socket and ideally a flex joint or a wobble socket or something just to make getting in there a little bit easier. You're going to undo 4 bolts, you're going to connect a couple of wires, and you're off to the races. So let's go ahead, I'll show you what bolts we have to do, and we'll walk through connecting these up so that you too can have these beautiful lights here indicating the direction you're turning. Look at that. Both down here and up here, looking real sharp. You can of course take these off if you want. Just depends on what's going to meet your particular needs. Let's take a look. I want to be clear, when I say this is one of the easiest things you can do, I mean it. You have 4 nuts here, here, there, and there. We're going to take those off. We're going to slide this back from the front leg shield here, and we're going to connect some wires. So let's go ahead and pop those off. With our 4 nuts off, pull those out so we don't lose them. And then we're just going to grab and just pull this back so that it slides off and set it down gently, watching out for the cables here that we see connected. All you're going to do is connect this blue and green and this green and yellow to their appropriate signal pods. So come in, just connect these 2 and connect these 2, and you will have enabled your turn signals. Don't mind what else I've got going on here. That's for my fog lights. But once you've got that, you're just going to go ahead, take this, get it back up into place, and with that mounted back in, put your nuts on. Remounting the glove box can take a little bit of lining up and a little bit of percussive persuasion to get it to fit. But once you've got the bolts sticking through like you see here and up there, all you've got to do is put those nuts back on and you're all set. And that, friends, is just how simple it is to connect up what they call the Euro turn signals, the dead lights, the panel lights, whatever you want to call them. Unscrew it, connect them, put it back together, and call it a day. Hopefully this video is easy enough to follow that you can go out and you can do this if you wish to. Thanks for watching. As always, keep riding and working on your own scooters. Let me know if I can help you with anything in the comments. Thanks for watching.